Hello there, I'm Zachary Ahmed from Solo IT Video. In today's video, we are going to see how we can change any text from our WordPress website. Even if WordPress don't provide us any option to change the text, still we can change the text. There have two methods to change any text on WordPress website, and really it's very easy. So without any further ado, let's see the first method. So this is our website, and if we scroll down, we will see so many text. Suppose I want to change this text, trending products, but I'm not finding any option in the backend to change the text, but still we can change the text using the first method. Let's see the first method. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then type your username and password here and then click on login. So we are in the backend now. We are going to install a plugin. So hover over on plugins, then click on add new. In the search box, type real-time find and replace. So we are going to install this plugin and then click on activate. Now if we hover on tools, we will see a new option called real-time find and replace. Click on this. The dashboard is really simple. First, visit your website and copy the text you want to change. Since we want to change this text, so we are copying this text, and here click on add, and first we have to find this text. So to find this text, copy this text and paste in find field. So we have find the text. Now in the replace field, you have to type the text you want to replace. So let's suppose I want to change the text into trending items. Now if we click on update settings, and if we reload our website, as you can see, previously it was trending products, but now it's trending items. So this is how you can change text. But there have one issue. Let me show you. If we want to change this shop now text, so we have to copy the text like we did previously. So I'm going to copy this text, and if I click on add new, and if I paste the text here, shop now, in the replace field I want to type buy now. If I again click on update settings, and if we reload the website, as you can see, the text is same, it's not changed. Let me show you why it's not changed. As you can see, the text is uppercase. If I right click on my mouse and then click on inspect, you can see this code. So in the front end it's showing uppercase, but in the main code it's capitalized. That means this text and this text is not same, it's case sensitive. So we have to copy this text, this capitalized text, not this uppercase text. Now if we find this text in capitalize, now if I click on update settings, if I reload it, as you can see, previously it was shop now, now it's showing buy now. First, the plugin find all the shop now text in your whole website. As you can see, previously there was shop now as well, but it's also changed because the plugin find the text in your whole website and it changed all the text in your website. So this is the easiest method, but you cannot change more than 5 text. Now if I click on add 3, 4, 5, if I click again, it's saying you have reached the limit of the free version. So if you want to change more text, you have to purchase their premium plan, which is less than $10. As you have seen the first method, we cannot change more than 5 text. Now let's see the second method. Using the second method, you can change unlimited text you want. This process is a bit harder than the first method because now we will change text using JavaScript code. So let's see the second method. For the second method, we are going to install a plugin. So to install the plugin, hover over on plugins and then click on add new. In the search field, type header and footer scripts. So there have lots of plugins to do the same task. You can use any plugin you want, but I'm going to install this plugin, header and footer scripts by Digital Liberation. Install and activate this plugin. Okay, then if you hover over on settings, you will see a new option, header and footer scripts. Click on this option. So in this footer area, we will use a JavaScript code. So you don't need to write the code. I'll give you the code in my video description. You can simply copy and paste the code here. I'm going to paste the code. So this code will help us to change unlimited text in our WordPress website. So let's visit our website and I'm opening a product. So suppose I want to change this text add to cart. So to change the text, we have to inspect this button. You can simply right click on your mouse and you can click on inspect. If you know CSS, then you can do that easily. We need the class of this button. If we see this class text, as you can see, there have a class name, single add to cart button. Copy this class name and go to backend, and here make sure you have typed a dot and then paste the class name here. So this process is to find this button. So we have already found the button. Now instead of add to cart, which text we want, we have to type the text here in this double quote. Let's suppose we want hello world, and click on save settings, and if we visit our website, as you can see, the text is changed add to cart to hello world. Now if we want to change another text, let me delete the extra space, copy this and paste it here. So first we have to find the text. So to find the text, just inspect this text and copy the class name and paste it here. Make sure there have a dot before the class name. Now there have one problem, and that is this variable name and this variable name is same. We have to type different variable name. So since there was 1, I'm going to change it into 2. This name and this name should be same. So type here 2. So both name are same now. Same things for the function as well. This function name and this function name is same, but we have to change that. Since there was 1, I'm going to change it to. Change from here as well. Now this function name and this function name is same. Also this variable name and this variable name is same. If we put the same name from here and here, then it will conflict and it will show us an error. That's why we have to type different name. Then click on save settings, and if we reload our website, as you can see, this text is also changed, hello world. Instead of hello world, if you want to show any other text, you can do that. You can simply type the text here. Instead of hello world, I'm typing free delivery. If I click on save settings and if I reload the website, it's changed into free delivery. Previously it was free shipping. If you want to change this text from hello world to different text, you can simply type the text here. As I'm typing add to basket and click on save settings and reload the website. So the text is changed to add to basket. So this is how you can change any text according to your requirement, and there is no limitation like the previous method. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends so that they can learn something. Thanks.